Quail log, May 28th, 2023. So today, I got cleaned out all the trays. They now have pine chips in them, and everyone has got fed. And something new tonight is that I have worms. I set up a black soldier fly bin that has been collecting worms, and today was one of the first days that when I opened it up, I found I had plenty of worms, or actual worms in the bin. They're white, which I expected them to be more of a black, so maybe they're a little younger than what they're supposed to be, but I'm expecting this to be an interesting feat. So let's open this door. My door just came off, but I think they're going to be distracted once they realize what's in the pan. So let's see what they do. I don't think they've ever had them where they've been moving before. I know I've seen them catch flies out of midair, but they're not too sure about this. I guess I expected them to go after it more than what they have, but since they've only got dried worms before, and they may not quite realize what these are. Yep, I'll quickly put the door back on. Maybe. There we go. Alright, so yes, someone over here is telling me that they want more food, because I've realized I didn't feed them. I just checked on them and took away their sandbox, but I didn't actually give them more food, so I guess I will need to be giving them more food. Tonight's been a little strange also in that I got no eggs in the top shelf. Not sure what I disturbed them with that made no eggs tonight. We only had 4 last night, so that's not so terribly surprising. I have 3 eggs on the middle shelf, so that's good. That means that all 3 of my speckleds are laying eggs again, which is a good sign. Speckle boy is just sitting there watching me. And down here, Pharaoh boy is being okay. And my 6 girls, I think, are doing okay over here. At least they were earlier. And I know when I was cleaning out cages, I had at least 2 eggs that were in here. Looks like one of them was rolled out and the other one's still back there and needs to roll out. And I think that's it for eggs in this cage. But that's still nice that I'm getting 2 eggs from them, especially when I'm not getting any eggs from my older girls. So we'll see what's up with that. I figured I only had enough worms for one cage, but so far they're not really going after the worms like I thought they would. I don't know if it's just because these aren't the worms that they like, or they don't like them because they're wiggling, or what. But that was not what I expected from giving them fresh worms. I'm hoping that they'll want them. Otherwise, my black soldier fly bin isn't going to be as useful as I thought it was going to be. So tomorrow I'll finish up my video on the black soldier fly bin, since it does look like I'm at least getting something coming out. It's worms, and I was hoping that it would do well for my birds. And we'll see where we go from there. So yeah, looks like down here I've got 2 eggs that have definitely rolled out at this point. So that's 2 eggs from the new girls. We'll see what I decide to do with them, whether I'm culling all of them or what I plan to do. So we'll go from there. Good night.